Hi, if you have met with a problem when your iPhone camera is blurry, let me show you how to fix it. So, first thing that we are going to try is to simply clean our camera lenses. Today I'll be using this special wipe for glasses, but you can take any microfiber that you've got at home. So, we would need to take a look at the back side of our phone, and then with the help of this wipe, just do some circle movements on the camera lenses, because dust or fingerprints may be the issue why your camera is blurry. This is looking much better. So now let's try to take a look on the camera again if something has changed. And as you can see, it is still blurry. So let's move on to the next method, which can help. And this is removing your phone case if you of course have one. Because for example, I got my other device which got this huge phone case which maybe go into the camera lenses and make it blurry. So try to remove your phone case and take a look if anything has changed. If not, let's move on and try to fix this problem again. So next thing that we can try is to simply restart our camera application. We can do it by taking this white line at the bottom, then swipe it up like this, and then take the camera application with your finger and swipe it up like this. Then we would need to go back to our home screen and open the camera again. Now, as a next step, if this didn't help, we can try to fix the autofocus lock, which means that currently your camera is focused only on one object, which will make other objects blurry. So let me show you the example how this will look. You'll just see this yellow square on your screen, which is not disappearing. And to disable auto lock, we would need to simply click on any other part of the photo. Or just click it like this until you'll be focused on the object that you would like to capture. Then as a next step, if none of these helped, make sure that the environment is light enough, because iPhone is not really good at taking photos at darker rooms or environments. Then, as the next step, if none of these helped, let's try to check if we have the latest version of software. For that, we would need to open Settings on our phone, and then here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named General. We would need to open it and then click on this tab named Software Update. Here, take a look if you have any update available, and if yes, update it immediately because this can easily fix your issue. Not only the updates give you new cool features, but they are also fixing the old bugs which are not letting you to enjoy the experience with your iPhone. Then, if none of these helped and you're still with the issue when your camera is blurry, let's try to reset settings. There is a chance that may have something changed in the camera settings, what is making blurry. So to reset these settings, we would need to, of course, open the settings application. Here, stay at the tab which is named General, and then swipe down to the end of this page. Here, we are looking on this tab, which is named Transfer or Reset iPhone. We would need to click on it, and here click on this button, Reset. And here, choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this will not delete anything from your phone. All of your photos, all of your application will stay on its place. Only the settings on your phone will reset to the default ones. So I'll click on this button, Reset All Settings, and then enter my passcode to confirm this action. Then click Reset All Settings, and once more. And this is it. Now you can see this loading screen, which will show the progress of resetting the settings on your phone. And after it's done, your issue should be solved. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.